Hey, Yabusia. Rade. Yes, Sikara special prosecutor ehuwo Mrs. Cecilia Dapaah demo no die. Chese yes so sin chrono. Hey! Muntie is more cash reportedly found in Cecilia Dapaah's house. Takes officers of OSP 5 hours to count that amount. It is emerging that officials of the Office of the Special Prosecutor discovered more cash after searching both the private and official residence of former Sanitation and Water Resource Minister Cecilia Dapaah at Abelempe and Cantonment, respectively. Okay, where do you see? According to a report by TV3's Eric Mawena Ibata.
A question in relation to the stash of cash which has been stolen and has become the subject of media controversy, social media debate, and the anger of many Ghanaians. But interestingly, what we've gathered from our sources is that from the search at her residence yesterday, a lot more cash has been discovered, and it took the officials of the special prosecutor close to 5 hours alone in counting this amount of cash which was discovered, a lot more money discovered in her home. Indications as well, what we've got is that she's been given a lifestyle assessment form which she is to fill and complete as investigations continue. She was granted bail in the late hours of Monday at about 10:30 p.m. with one surety. The stated figure still not quite known, as officials from the Office of the Special Prosecutor continue to remain tight-lipped on it. But what we know and what we can confirm is that investigation is ongoing into this matter, which has become a huge debate. For a lot of
the monies found by the officials were so much that it took them 5 hours to finish counting. Hey! And I'm pretty sure officials also requested your modoso and kofuye didi because I'm back counting almost. Hey! Oh, Mama Cecilia, sasemi che sapa dia. Che se nipanye. Nipanye. More cash, more than what was stolen. Now say if Abawa etimie we are $1 million dia. Now just say how much and aka. I said much more be kind. Say how much na aka. Hey, ready patience in the Sarah. Na come my friend impo. Nanka yang ko hanti. Mabeta mi krom. Ebusia,